Introducing the Customer Support Analytics app, an AI-powered prototype designed to analyze customer interactions and uncover actionable insights. In this short demo, we'll walk through the key steps behind its development, built entirely using AI tools like Cursor. The MVP began with the open-source dataset Customer Support on Twitter from Kaggle. It captures real conversations between customers and companies, tweets with questions, complaints, and replies from support teams. These interactions became the foundation for our AI-powered analysis. To analyze data and surface insights, opportunities, and success metrics for GenAI, we apply the Impact Framework, short for Inspect, Map, Position, Act, Calibrate, and Telemetry. It's a visual-first, structured method that transforms raw datasets into MVP-ready outputs for rapid development in Cursor. Each step has a clear purpose: inspect data quality, map patterns and context, position business opportunities, act through scenario planning, calibrate success metrics, and build telemetry, an interactive dashboard. Along the way, we generate visual artifacts, reports, matrices, dashboards, and a YAML file that guides the LLM through each step, ensuring fast, consistent, and iterative prototyping. Using the Impact Framework as a blueprint, we guided large language models through each analytical phase, from data inspection to opportunity positioning and metric calibration. At every step, the LLM generated structured artifacts such as data quality reports, correlation analyses, market maps, and scenario matrices, all automatically documented and versioned. These artifacts were then consolidated into an interactive Streamlit dashboard, created in Python, to visualize the results and validate insights before moving into app prototyping with Cursor. The dashboard allowed for exploring relationships between variables, assessing data quality, and reviewing prioritized business scenarios and KPIs, effectively bridging the gap between analysis and development. The analysis summary you see here is the direct output of this phase, mapping every impact step: inspect, map, position, act, calibrate, and telemetry into concrete files, reports, and visuals. This structured LLM-assisted workflow ensured that by the time we reached Cursor, the data foundation, analytical logic, and visual components were already validated and ready for rapid app creation. The project was initialized in Cursor using the artifacts and sample data from the repository, along with predefined Cursor rules. Several Markdown files were also created to automate prompt execution across each phase of development. The initialization process generated key documents, including the product brief and scope.md, which defined the implementation plan and guided all subsequent iterative developments. Additional prompt templates, such as Plan Feature, Implement Feature, and Complete Feature, structured the workflow, ensuring that each feature was planned, built, and validated in a step-by-step manner. Beyond generating the app's code, configurations, and functions, Cursor also documented every phase, logged implementation changes, and produced deployment guides, laying the groundwork for future enhancements. By following a structured feature planning process and implementing each step with targeted prompts, a fully functional and interactive analytics dashboard was created. The Customer Support Analytics application allows for the uncovering of key insights about team performance, sentiment, and response efficiency. This app uses CSV files based on customer support datasets from Kaggle or similar data structures. Once uploaded, the data is automatically cleaned, validated, and prepared for analysis. From there, users can explore several analytical features through an intuitive Streamlit dashboard, which presents insights using clear visualizations and interactive filters. The first core feature focuses on response times. Here, the app calculates key performance metrics such as the median and 90th percentile response times, as well as SLA compliance rates. This allows users to identify bottlenecks or delayed responses across teams. The response time distribution charts provide a quick way to spot inefficiencies and track overall service consistency. Next, we have sentiment analysis, which examines the emotional tone of customer messages using models like Vader or TextBlob. The app correlates sentiment scores with response metrics to reveal patterns. For example, whether faster responses lead to more positive sentiment. Users can explore sentiment trends over time, compare results between teams, and even analyze the readability or tone of customer messages. The Team Performance section brings everything together by ranking teams based on key metrics, such as response speed, sentiment outcomes, and overall efficiency. Automated recommendations are also generated to help managers identify best practices and improvement areas. Moving into advanced analytics, the app includes anomaly detection. These features use statistical modeling to highlight unusual trends, for example, a sudden drop in sentiment or a spike in response times, helping teams take proactive action. One of the most innovative parts of the app is the RAG system, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. This AI-powered feature lets users ask natural language questions about their data, such as, "Why was sentiment lower last week?" or "Which issues were most common among customers?" The model retrieves relevant information from the dataset and provides contextual explanations, powered by LangChain, Chroma, and OpenAI integrations. Finally, the app supports report generation, allowing users to export insights in PDF format. This makes it easy to share findings with stakeholders or include them in executive summaries, allowing for filtering by insights and teams. Overall, the Customer Support Analytics app brings together clean data visualization, AI-driven insights, and practical reporting tools, all within a modern, responsive Streamlit interface to empower organizations to monitor, understand, and continuously improve their customer support performance. The Customer Support Analytics prototype application is deployed on Streamlit Cloud for public access. You can find it in the link in the description and explore the developed solution. The code, including the artifacts from the impact framework analysis, the application, and the documentation files, can be found on GitHub.